Hello, story buddies. Today we are reading Peppa's Muddy Festival. Peppa and George are going to a children's festival. It's a big outdoor party. Welcome to the festival. Watch this. Ring. Balloons for sale. I hope it doesn't rain, says Mummy Pig. It could get a bit muddy, Daddy Pig snorts. It won't be muddy. I like mud, says Peppa. There are lots of fun things to try at the festival. What shall we do first? Asks Mummy Pig. Peppa points to a big stripy tent with flags on the top. Let's go in there. Hello, Peppa. Hello, George, says Emily Elephant. We are making dragons. Peppa and George are camping overnight at the festival. It is time to go to bed. I'll put up the tent, says Daddy Pig. Peppa spots Susie Sheep. Are you camping too? Peppa asks. Oh, we are not camping, says Susie. We are glamping. Come and see. Wow! The next morning, Daddy Pig is very surprised. It has rained in the night. The whole field has turned to mud, says Mummy Pig. Hooray! Cheer Peppa and George. Hee hee! Miss Rabbit is in the sandcastle area. Hello, she says. Instead of making sandcastles, we are making mud castles. Mud castles are the best. It's nearly the end of the festival. Please make your way to the big stage, calls Miss Rabbit. Look, says Daddy Pig. There's Madame Gazelle and her band. Children sing, dance and jump in muddy puddles. I love this muddy festival, shouts Peppa. Everyone loves the muddy festival. Splish, splash, splosh. I hope you enjoyed this muddy festival along with Peppa. We'll bring back another story next time. Till then, bye.